Hi and welcome. I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. In today's video I will be sharing a spinning tutorial. Been a while, but I thought you might enjoy learning how to make this yarn. It is called Outback and it's a signature yarn, very Locky. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get into it. Enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the notification bell when I add more videos. You will be notified. So I will pan you down and we will get into it. Little some tension. So you get a little bit of speed on that and make it tight. Twist. And then the locks will catch and corespun over the top of your, or underneath your single. And you can choose how much locks you want to add to your yarn. You can do this technique with any type of yarn. I have done it with double ply slub as well, and single or auto wrap singles, which also work well, but this is my signature yarn. This is the love of colour and texture in a luxury art yarn design. So for me, I just add it every so many meters, or every 30 centimeters, or willy-nilly wherever I think it should be put. Then you just keep on going until you're finished your yarn. I place my finger underneath the single, this one, and then I attach the locks in between the single and my finger. Like so. Sometimes it's a bit slippery and it takes a bit, but you want to slow down your pedaling, or you're going to have it too tight up the top, and if it gets too tight it's too hard to draft. I will probably put a really short video up, and then later on, when my computer's fixed, I will put up the full video. So I hope that was helpful on how to make this yarn. Once it's all complete, it will look similar to that. It could look completely different due to how thick you like to spin it, what type of yarn you want to spin, how much locks you add, how little locks you add. That is all up to you. But this is one of my signature yarns. It is a very popular yarn, and I only make them in custom orders. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and week, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.